check that I'm alive. లైవ్ వచ్చానా లేదా చూడు ఒకసారి వస్తే చెప్పు. Okay, I think I should start now. So here, very sorry for delay. Okay, now let's come to the question part. Can you see the question now? Nothing is happening. You can listen my voice. Okay, okay. Okay friends, so let's move on. Now I can see that you are able to see it. I'm extremely sorry for the delay, extremely sorry for the delay. So let's start. Shreya purchased 10 kg of rice for rupees 40 per kg from shop A and n kg of rice at rupees 35 per kg from shop B. He mixed both the type of rice and sold for rupees 45 per kg, getting a profit of 25%. So what is the value of N? Can you answer this question now? I'll give you the time to you. Yes. Yes, come on. Madhav Reddy, very very good evening. Answer it now. ఒకసారి చెప్తాను. Yes, come on my friends, anyone can answer the question? Anyone please answer the question? Okay, I can see the time up. Time up. So now I will answer this. There is problem with the video, don't worry for that. If you are able to listen to my audio, are you able to listen to my audio? So Shreya purchased 10 kg of rice for rupees 40. Still I don't get the answer from anyone. So let's take that this is 10 kg of rice for rupees 40 per kg and 35 kg of rice. So 35 kg of rice, rupees 35 per kg of rice, n number of kgs, and it is rupees 35 per kg. Okay, and then he mixed both and sold it at rupees 45 with a profit of 25%. So that means I need to find out the cost price. So find the cost price over here, that is 45 into, that's 100 by 125. We know that this is 4 by 5 with 5, this is 9, 9 4 is 36. So my this value is 36. Very good evening Aman, very good evening. So this value is 36. So I will take the difference. So this is 1 and this is 4. Am I right? So now I know that when one part is 10 kg, then what will be 4 parts? The 4 part will be 40 kg. 40 kg. Yes, someone, very good evening. So your answer should be 3. So this should be your answer, sir. Option 3. Okay, moving on to the next question. Please see now whether it's working or not. Okay, that is the next question, sir. Question number 2. X and Y started business with an investment of 18,000 and 15,000 respectively. Y left the business after n months and the same time Z joined the business with an investment of 21,000 at the end of the year. If their share of the profit is 12:5:R, find the value of R. Your time starts now. No one is answering the question. Anyone try any option? Can you try any option? Let them go. Yes, Aman, Madhav. I am not knowing if anyone is able to answer the question or not. Option C. Okay, let's check that option C. Yeah, that's right. That's right, Aman. That's right. Option C. Now we can move on now. So here I can see that that is X, Y, and Z, and their capital is 18,000, 15,000, and 21,000. This is 6 and 5 and 7. So there is 6:5:7. This is what their capital ratio. And it is said that Y left the business after n months and Z immediately joins. So that means the Z tenure will be 12 months minus n months. Okay. And nothing is said about X, so it's 12 months. So what is their profit and loss ratio? That 6 is 72 and then 5n and 84 minus 7n. That's what their profit and loss ratio, which is given to us as 12:5:R. Look at this. So by using this, can I get the value? So yes, we can get the value, that is 72 by 5n, which is equal to 12 by 5. So I will be getting the n value. This is 6 times. So 5 gets cancelled. N is equal to 6 here. So we notice that as n is equal to 6, here it's a 7. So that is, look at this one. There's 7n and 7 6 is 42. So that is 84 minus 42 is 42. This value is, here it is 5n. This become 30. So now notice that this is 30. This is 72. And this is 42. This part 42. Now by what number 72 is divided in order to get 12? It is divided by 6, because 12 6 is 72. So when you are dividing this by 6, are you dividing the 30 also by 6? Yes, 30 divided by 6, I am getting 5. So therefore the 42 should also be divided by 6. Therefore I am getting this as a 7. So option choice C. What is R? R value is 7. This is the value. Well done, Aman. Next one. Come on to this question. The ratio of the selling price of X, Y, and Z is 16:13:12. The ratio of the profit percentage of X, Y and Z is 2:3:2. If the cost price of Y is equal to that of Z, which is equal to 300, it's a very important sentence. Then find the profit of X. How do we do it? Let's I'll give the start to this X, Y and Z, and we have the selling price ratio, that is 16:13:12, and we have the profit percentage ratio, which is 2:3:2, and it's also given to us is the cost price of Z is equal to Y, which is equal to 300. Okay, what I need to find out the profit of X. How do I get the profit of X? Let's consider that this is 2x, 3x and 2x is the profit percentage. Now, I know the Z 300 cost price, Y 300 cost price. Okay, now in Z, what is the profit percentage? Is 2x%. So that is 300. I will take the Y first. Y by Z. So here it is Y, that is 300 into 3x is the profit percentage, that is 100 plus 3x by 100 is the selling price, by what is the Z selling price, that is 300 into the 100 plus 2x is the profit percentage by 100, and we have a selling price ratio, that is 13/12, and you will find that this all 300 gets cancelled, 100 gets cancelled. So here I leave it for you. Can you please answer the question? Still you have 60 seconds. Come on, I gave the lot of clue to you. Option A, Aman. Okay, let's check that. No, the baby is crying. Not correct, not correct. Anyone else? Anyone else? Time is up. Option D. Let's check that option D. That's right. That's right. Okay. So how do we do it here? 12 into 100. That's 1200 plus 12,336x is equal to 1300 plus 2x. 132 is 26x. Now you notice that here this gets cancelled 300. So this gets cancelled 100. So 10x is equal to 100. X is equal to 10. You got the value of x. So once you get the value of x, all these figures are, that is 20, 30 and again 20. These all are the percentage of profit. Okay, I know the Y cost price. So can't I go to the cost price of X? For that we have the selling price ratio. So what I am going to do is take this Y cost price 300 and that 30% profit is there. So take that 130% of this. So what will be the 30% of this? 30% is nothing but 90. So I can directly write down this as 90. Okay. Now this is 13 parts. So in order to get the X, I need 16 parts. So 16 by 13. So I got the selling price of X and we have a 20% profit. So calculate the 20%. So 20 by, I should not write 100. I will be writing 120 because I am taking the selling price. So 20 over 120. So by cancelling, so I can notice that here it is gets cancelled 30 times, it gets cancelled 4 times, this is 5 times, and 16 5 is 80. That's your answer. Yes, that's right. That's right. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Here. Now, 3 years ago, the ratio of S to the age of T is 5:4. So that is 3 years ago. Age of S minus 3 by T minus 3, which is given to us as 5/4. 6 years hence, the age of U and V, this one, 6 years hence. So the U plus 6 by V plus 6, which is equal to 3/2. And 5 years hence, the age of T was 28 years. 5 years hence, the age of T is 28. So we know the age of T is 28 minus 5, which is 23. And the age of U was 5 years ago, the age of U was 16. So the present age of U will be 21. You are asked to find out the difference between the age of S and V. Yes, Aman, you can do it. So these are the main level question. Even if the clerical comes, it will be the main level of clerk or the PO prelim level. I am just not giving the 20-second question or 30-second question, because in for reading the question itself, it will take you more than 30 seconds. Option A. Okay, time is up. Let's check if Aman gets the answer, then I will check the answer. So we know that T is 23. So here if I replace the T is 23, so I can see that 23 minus 3, which is equal to 20. So this gets cancelled 5 times, and 5 into 5 is 25. The S is equal to minus 3 will come over here, which is 28. And U is 21. 21 plus 3, which is 27. And with 3 this gets cancelled 9 times, and 9 2 is 18. The V is equal to 18 minus 6, which is 12. So you are asked to find out the difference between the age of S and V. So that difference is 16. Do we have option 16? So option A. Let's check that. Yes, that's right. Your answer is A. Aman, did you understand this? Can someone confirm? I'll go to the next question now. Question number 5. Okay, answer the question now. Okay, answer the question now. X is 20% more efficient than Z, who takes 3 times the time taken by Y to complete the work. Look at this, the efficiency is given about the X and Y. X is 20% more efficient than Z. Okay, more efficient than Z. That means if the Z is 100, the X is 120, the ratio of efficiency is 6:5. The next one, if X completes the work in n days, while Y completes the work in n minus 12 days. So X and Y, the days is given n days, and here n minus 12 days. This is about days, and find the number of days. And it is also given that find the number of days in which X, Y and Z together can complete the work. So I missed the small point. Who? The Z takes 3 times the time taken by Y. So that is Z 3 times of Y time taken. So 3:1 is the time. What will be the efficiency? Efficiency will be 1:3. So if the efficiency of, I will take the Y over here. If the efficiency of Y is 3, the efficiency of Z is 1. So now combine the ratio and you will be getting this as 6 and this 5 and this as 15. That's what the efficiency is. So once I get the efficiency of this, what is the work? The work, I can understand that. What is the difference over here? The efficiency, the X completes in n days and Y completes in n minus 12 days. So what is the efficiency of X and Y? So this is 6 and 15, which is with 2 times and 5 times. Efficiency will be 5:2. This is what the efficiency of X and Y. Then Y takes how many days less? I notice that 2 days. Okay, as we have the days ratio over here, 2:5. So here it is 2 plus 3. That means 3 parts extra and X minus 12 days. Okay, you got the answer? 6, 5 and this one. So what is the number of days? So I simply write this as here X takes n days, Y takes n minus 12 days, and we know the work is the efficiency into number of days. 6n is equal to 15 into n minus 12. So with 2 times and there's 3 times, so 2n is equal to 3n minus 24. So n is equal to 24. We got this part? Okay. So we got the n is equal to 24 means the Y can complete the work in 24 days. But the question is that X, Y and Z together can complete the work in how many days? Is 2n and this is 24. I think I confused you with this, but still you can find it out. N is equal to 12. Okay. If you allow me, I would like to retake this question. That is X is 20% more efficient than Z. I will take X, Y and Z. And if the Z is 100, the X is 120, that is 6:5. And the time taken by Y, who takes 3 times, the Z takes 3 times of the time taken by Y. So this is the days ratio, therefore efficiency ratio will be 1:3. So if the Y is 3, the Z is 1. So now I am getting the ratio here, that's multiply this by 5. So this is 5 and this is 15 and this is 6. Okay, I got this efficiency ratio. And we know that the X can complete the work in n days. So this is n days. And Y can complete the work in n minus 12 days. This is n minus 12 days. So days into efficiency is the work. So we know that the 6n is equal to the 15 times of n minus 12. So let's cancel this one with 3 2 times, with 3 5 times. Then this is 5n minus 12, 5 is 60. Okay, so here this is 2n, this is 5n. I notice that this is 3n is equal to 60, 3n. So therefore n is equal to 20. N is equal to 20, my friend. I am sorry, in the previous calculation I made some mistake over here. Okay, once I got that n is equal to 20, then write down here the number of days is 20, here the number of days is 8. So can I find out what is the number of days Z will take? Do I need? I don't need this one. Don't find it out. Why? Because we need together can complete the work in how many days? What is the work? The work is the efficiency into number of days, that is 20 into 6. This is what the work is, divided by total efficiency. And the total efficiency is this 5 plus 15 plus 6, and that comes 26. Now when you move on, you will find that with 13 times, and this is 3 times, that is 60, option B. Okay, 60 divided by 13, and 13 4 is 52, and 8 by 13. Do we have any option? That is 4, 8 by 13. Yes, option B. Hope it's clear to everyone. Okay, this time that the video adjustment is not proper, but still I am hoping that you are understanding it. Move on to the next question. If a ball is picked up randomly from the box contains a red, blue and green balls, the probability that it is blue is 5 by 33. So okay, the blue ball, red, blue, why to write all this? The probability of blue is 5 by 33. The number of red ball is 25% less than the green ball. So red ball and green ball, if this is 100, this is 75. That means the number is in the ratio of 3:4. This is what the ratio is. And the number of blue ball is 25. So we also given that the blue ball number is 25. Okay, that's good. So I can consider this as 3x and 4x. So what I am understanding is the blue ball probability of getting blue ball by total is nothing but which is already given to us. That's 25 is the number of blue balls, and the total balls are 25 plus 7x. 25 plus 7x. That's what. And that probability is mentioned as 5 by 33. So now you understand, you are getting the x value, and the moment you get the x value, you will get the number of red balls, and also you will get the number of green balls. Okay, now what is the question? Then what is the probability that if two balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that they are of different color? Okay, so first I will find out the number. Now I see that this gets cancelled by 5 times. 5 3 is 15, carry 1, 15 1 16. So that is 7x is equal to 140. Then x is equal to 20. This is what the x value is. So if x is equal to 20, this is 60 and this is 80. We got this number. Now two balls are drawn at a time, and they should be of different color. The different color means it's possible that the blue and green. So blue and red, and green and red. So how many blue balls are there? 25. So 25 C NC1 is always n. So here 25 into 60. So its solution will be 25 into 60 plus 25 into 80 plus 60 into 80. Come on, Aman. By how many total balls are there? So that is 80 plus 60, 140 and 165. So 165 C2, which you can write down this as a 165 into 164 divided by 2. Okay, let's say that who answers this question. So here 25 into 60, that's 1500. Okay, so the next one, that is 25 into 80, that is 2000. And this 68 is 48. Add up all this number and that will come over here. That is 0, 0, 8, 5 is 13, carry 1 and 1, 2, 4 and 8 divided by, so let's cancel over here, then I get this as 82. So 165 into 82. Now you notice that some numbers are getting cancelled by 4. Let's take the 41 over here first. So once you take the 41, is this 82? Yes. And here that's a 4150. And further, can I cancel this? No. So I may cancel this by 5. So 5, 3, 15, 5, 3, 15 and 5, 8, 40, 5, 3, 15 and 0. So do you have any option representing that? Multiply this denominator. 1 into 3 is 3, 3, 4 is 12 and 3, 1 is 3, 15, carry 1, 12 and 1, 13. So my denominator is, my numerator is 8, 30 and denominator is this. So what's your option? So option choice 5. Okay. Hope understanding this one. And question number 7. Question number 7. The vessel A contains 40 liters of solution of milk and water in the ratio of 5:3. So the moment it is said that the 40 liter and the milk and water is 5:3, we know that the quantity of milk and water. Now the A is transferred into another B in the ratio of 3:2. So in the A, milk and water, this is 5 plus 3 is 8, 40 divided by 8 is 5, 5 is 25 and 5, 3 is 15. And in B, the milk and water is in the ratio of 3:2. If the difference between the milk and water, and these two are poured, these two are mixed up, and the difference between the milk and water in the resultant mixture is 20 liters. So you can consider this as 3x and then 2x, and the difference of milk and water in the combined, that means 25x, 25 plus 3x minus 15 plus 2x, which is equal to 20 is given to you. Now I am sure you can answer the question. Get the x value, and the moment you get the x value, your question is find the initial quantity and the solution on B. Yes, my friends. From here onwards, you can find out the solution. Okay. Now, as you open the bracket, the plus will become minus. Now you find out that this is 10, and when 10 goes over here, it is 10, and this is x, so x is equal to 10. So what is your initial total quantity? Initial total quantity is 3x plus 2x, which is 5x, and the 5x is equal to 50. Your answer choice E. Hope you are understanding it. Okay, the next question. The distance between two stations P and Q is 480 km. the two trains X and Y start from P and Q respectively simultaneously and meet each other after 14 hours. It's a wonderful question. For PO prelim, it's a very good question. If X starts 4 hours after Y and X will meet Y after 12 and a half hours, find the speed of X. So, I'll draw a diagram that's P and Q are the two stations where 840 kilometer and the X is there, starts towards Y, and Y is there, starts towards X, and they meet after 14 hours. That means the X travels for 14 hours and the Y travels for 14 hours. So you can say that what is the relative speed? I will assume that the speed of X is X and the speed of Y is Y. Then the relative speed will be X plus Y. And the time is 14 hours. So 14 into relative speed X plus Y is equal to total distance, which is 840. So what is X plus Y? X plus Y is equal to, you can cancel this one, this is 60. There's one equation I get. In another equation, you will find that the X started 4 hours after Y, and if Y travels to meet Y, and they meet after how many hours? 12 and a half hours. So that means if the X travels for 12.5 hours, then Y 12.5 plus 4 hours, because X started after 4 hours from Y. So that means this time the time taken by X is 12.5 hours and the time taken by Y is 16.5 hours. So I get the another equation stating that 12.5x plus 16.5y is equal to the same 840. This is equation 2. What is my requirement? Find the speed of X. So I need X. So eliminate Y. In order to eliminate Y, what I am going to do? Multiply both the equation by 16.5 here. So this will get eliminated. And when you are multiplying this by 16.5, you will be getting this figure as that's 5 6 is 30, carry 3, and 16 6 96 plus 3 is 99. Now take the difference from here to here, you will be getting 4x. Take the difference from here to here, I will be getting 150. Is that? So what is X value? The X value will be 150 divided by 4. So 4 3 12, and I left with 4 7 is 28, and 1 by 2. So the X value is 37, 1 by 2, option C. Okay. Next, question 10. The 9 I missed, I think. Question 10. A shopkeeper marked his article 25% above its cost price for rupees 8,000 and sold K minus 8% discount, and thus the shopkeeper gains 10%. Find the selling price of the article if it is sold at K plus 10% profit. And this is the last question for today, and I am giving 60 seconds to you. Come on, anyone can answer the question. Okay, I will give the clue. How to answer it? Markup price 25% and the profit 10%. I will get the discount percentage, which is K minus 8. How do I get the discount percentage? By using that x plus y plus xy by 100 formula. Here it is increased by 25% and the discount given is suppose x and minus 25x by 100, which is equal to the profit percentage, which is given as 10. So I get this as 4 times. When 25 comes over here, it is minus 15. So here I get minus 5x is equal to the 15 into 4, that is 60. So x is equal to, because both side minus is there, x is equal to 12. So now x is equal to 12, that means k minus 8 is 12. K minus 8 is equal to 12. Then what is k? K is equal to 20. Now find the selling price of the article if it is sold for k plus 10%. That means your required profit is k is 20. 20 plus 10, you need 30% profit. And you already know the cost price is 8,000. So what we do is this 8,000 into 83 is 24. You can directly add or you calculate 130%. So 83 is 24, 2,400. So your answer is 10,400. Am I right? Anywhere option is there? Yes. That's option 5. So today some technical disturbance is there. So I am concluding the class here. So we will be meeting at the same time tomorrow. Thank you very much for joining the class. And please like it. If it is given any advantage to you, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much. And good night to all my friends.